Hello everybody, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Fruity Threads. I apologise for the munching, I've just fed the clan. This is my third vlog. It's quite late in the evening. I'm going to bed rather soon, very long day at work. I was hoping to finish my granny squares tonight, the heart ones I made last week. I've tried to block them and unfortunately they're still not dry, and so hopefully I should be able to start fixing them together tomorrow. But I have found a whip I've been doing for a couple of weeks now. Trousers off for now and then hopefully for bedtime. So if you want to join in and crochet along, that should be good.
Oh.
Okay guys, I was hoping to do a few more rows on these, but with the commotion in the cage earlier, it sounded like somebody was being murdered, but somebody got a little bit too close to the food. I think that'll be all for tonight. It's getting a little bit late. Tomorrow, Wednesday, hopefully, on the way to work, if we can get a seat, I can do a few more rows on these. And after work, I'll be going to my mum's, mamastitery for tea, and then there'll be crochet class after, so that should be fun. Well, good evening everybody, late in the evening. It's been a long day today with work. I got a new book. It's quite interesting, quite a good read. There's quite a few nice patterns in here. Went to my mamastitery, my mum's, after work, and she made me a new bag for my crochet. It's in to carry as I go, because I do like to crochet on the go. So we learnt the houndstooth stitch, which was quite fun to make. It's a really nice pattern. Also, I finished all my squares. And more. I'm going to try and at least fit a few together to make a leg in the next hour or so. Want to crochet along or watch my attempt this? Here we go. Okay guys, it's Thursday evening. Finished one side, finish the other side and see how many squares I can put together. Okay guys, this will be the end of the third vlog. Made a little bit of progress with my trousers. At present, the shorts. So I just got to do some ribbon and add some more of the squares. Hopefully it shouldn't take too long and I should get it done before Saturday. If you like what you saw, please, if you like what you saw, like and comment and follow me for more updates on Instagram or Facebook. Thank you for watching. Bye.